everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquitalvluxury. On today, I have an informative video, and I also want to discuss why I passed on 3 LV items this week. Before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquitalvluxury. Now that we have all that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Okay guys, I want to first tell you all thank you so much again. I believe my husband is now feeling a little bit more comfortable. As you know, he come on here to my YouTube channel. So he said he will be back, but give him some time. So I just want to say thank you guys for all the nice, positive comments. I do let him know he does read some of them, but this is us all the time. A few of you guys in the comments asked, are we always happy? No, we're not always happy. Who's always happy? We are just like a normal couple, but we laugh more than anything. We really do. Like once we wake up in the morning, either I'll slip, he'll fall. It's always something. So that is most definitely genuine. And also, I did not know what bags he was going to pick out in the last video. His least favorite bags had nothing to do with me. I wanted to be surprised just like you guys. And I most definitely wouldn't have included the Rose Ballerine Pink Vuitton PM. I had no clue he was going to pick those bags. You guys said he did a good job. I did let him know. But he did come back and take the Speedy 30 out. He actually fell in love with the Speedy 30 as we were talking about it in the video. So he took the Speedy 30 out, guys, and he added the Petite Sag Black to the list. So hey, maybe we'll do an update later, but that's what he did. Okay, guys, I want to speak with you about the Alma PM. The lace black Alma PM. I have shown you guys this. I did the unboxing. I even showed it in the last video with my husband. He actually loves this bag. But for you guys that were in the comments telling me to keep it, guys, this bag is going back. The carrier is coming on tomorrow. That is actually day 3. I've had this bag 3 days. I slept on it. I even was looking at the bag today. I even got material to change the inside color in and out, which is so gorgeous. I mean, that was the whole idea anyway, guys. I was going to switch outfits. I was going to change the inside. I was going to have it just clear, but it's a force. Remember when I tell you guys, I want to have bags in my collection moving forward that I am actually going to use. I have too many unused bags in my collection. I have too many bags that I have only worn once. I have too many bags that I have stepped out the house and said, no, I'm just not feeling this. And I bring it back in. That's me, honestly. I do change bags within between 2 and 3 times a day. And it's always the same classic bags, my bags that I'm always grabbing. And I still have bags that, as stated, I don't touch. And this will probably be one of those bags. I probably would grab it every now and then, you know, with a different outfit, just to have the color, add color inside the material to go with the outfit. But this isn't a practical for me everyday bag. And that's what I want moving forward in my collection. So yes, very unique bag. Very unique. Okay, but it's not for me. And I have to talk to my husband, because when I do feel like this, he will still go out and buy, thinking that inside that I really want it, but I'm just trying to, you know, keep that discipline going. No, I'm going to stay focused, and he will sneak and go and buy. But I'm being honest. Like, I don't want this bag. I don't want this bag. And by day 2, even in the video when I was with my husband, I was looking at it and I was like, no, this isn't a bag that I want in my collection. And honestly, the black on front leather Alma PM, I mean, it's no comparison. That bag, I love having it in my collection, and I do reach for that bag. And so this baby will be going back tomorrow, and the carriers will be coming to pick up. Again, $3,250, and it is the Alma PM monogram lace in the color black. And this is the product code number if you guys that are interested want to go and purchase. Okay, so tell her bye. Okay, so I don't want you guys to attack me, but it was a smart decision, something that I chose. Guys, I passed on 2 items this week, items that I actually wanted. I spoke to you guys. I was like, oh my God, I need these items. They are so beautiful. I have to have them in my collection. One of them was actually for my daughter, the LV Wapity, the wristlet. I could have purchased that, but you just have to know your kids. And I know my daughter, and I do not want to force this thing on her. Like I said, I know my daughter. I do not want her to start disliking it because I have a closet full of handbags and I want these to go to her. So I want it to grow on her. My son actually was going through my phone. He was doing the TikTok and he saw a picture and he showed her and she was like, oh my God, is mommy going to get that? Is that mommy's? But it was really for her. I told you guys for her birthday. And she was like, mommy and her LV. And I'm just sitting up here like, you know what? My baby right now is just not into this right now. And I'm not going to force it. And she's not even into those colors. Like the purple, the pink. That's just not her. She loves like the teal blue. She's into like different pastel colors. But purple and the pink, that's not her. She loves blue. She loves red. She loves different things, different colors. And she's into vintage. So, you know, that's just not her thing right now. She will take the LV Palm Springs, meaning the monogram, that she loves. Like the little backpacks, she loves. But all those colors, just like how my husband is, all those colors, that's not her thing. And I didn't want to just purchase just to have it in, give it to her, or even hold it until she's ready, knowing that's not what she wants. So I don't want to feel as if I'm pushing, you know, luxury on her, because she carries a Vans backpack. She carries a vintage backpack that we got off Amazon. She loves to thrift shop. I mean, all these girls in high school, I mean, they are into this vintage thing. And right now, I'm just going to enjoy that. Me and her, we go to the Goodwill together. We thrift shop. And that's what we do. And that's what I am going to leave it be as of right now. She's 14. She still has time. So if that's the way she's going to go, that's the way she is going to go until she makes a decision on what she wants to do with these bags. Okay, the second thing that I passed on that shocked me, I had to do it. It was just the right thing to do. I passed on the Kirigami set, guys. Yes, I passed on the Kirigami set. And I did listen to my husband from the last video. Guys, those bags, those pastel colors, those different colors on the bags, it's not me. At that time, it was so cute. It was something that I needed. I felt like I needed to go with this outfit, to go with this outfit. And guys, I am really just a classy type of person. Day in and day out, I'm reaching for my monogram bags. I'm reaching for my Demiri Bean. Now, my Demiri Azur, that's what I'm reaching for, my reverse monogram. I don't reach for these color bags. I don't. And most of them are my Neverfull bags. And so you come and look into my closet, guys, everything in here, classy, classic bags, the monogram print. So I do have 2 sets of the kirigami by the pool kirigami set and the monogram kirigami set. And guys, I do use these pouches. I use them as accessories. I have shown you guys, posted videos on my Instagram. I use them on my belt. I get an LV chain and I just add it on there, and I don't put anything in it, but it looks good as an accessory. So the ones that I do have, which I love my monogram kirigami. I even use the large one as a clutch. I use the medium as an insert. I put things in it just like I do with the Toiletry 19. So the medium pouch, I use it and I put things in it. I replace it as a mini pochette as well. And the small one, I just put it here just as accessories, okay? So all 3 of the monogram I do use. The kirigami, I do bring that out in the summertime to by the pool. I have shown you guys on Instagram. Here it is. But guys, that's it. The only reason I wanted this kirigami set was for the middle pouch. I love the little purple midnight shade color in fuchsia. That is actually the only one that I wanted. But guys, it just was not worth it. It was not worth it to me, guys. My birthday is coming up. I have some things that I am trying to get. And I was just like, no, Marquita, do not do this. Do not let them charge your card. It's right there. You can get it. I passed. And for me, I was so proud of myself because that is what I want in my life now. The discipline and me balancing everything. Hey, that right there is just a purchase because I have the money in my account. Or just to add another SLG to my collection. And I don't use most of the SLGs I have now. So when I speak to you guys on thinking, balancing out everything, guys, discipline is so important because the obsession with luxury is real. You will get lost in this. You will get lost in this world. I'm telling you, the luxury world, the obsession is real. You will have $0 in your account. You will start using bill money for this obsession. And so I'm just so thankful now that I can honestly tell myself, no, you do not need that. No, you do not need that to do an unboxing. Because who's ever looking at my channel, they're looking at my channel for what I'm bringing. If you are looking for constant unboxings, I had to learn that it's not going to be over here. I'm unboxing things that I'm actually going to use. And so, guys, you have to be okay with telling the mind no. Tell the mind no. The money is in your account. Save it for something that you really, really want and you're really going to use. And sometimes I do want to go and reach for certain things, especially when I'm looking online on my free time, because right now I want basically everything in Fendi right now and YSL. But the discipline is very, very important. And I'm loving my space and loving where I am right now. And I just hope and pray you guys get to this point to where some things just are not necessary. We do not need some of these luxury items. And so even with my husband, like that, I really did learn something like from that, because I did not touch those bags. All of those bags that had all the colors. I mean, I even have the shoes to match. Guys, they are sitting in my closet brand new. I'm not saying it's anything wrong with it. For those that are into the Neverfulls, the pastel colors, that is your thing. But my husband, he knew me. And that's the thing. He knew me, and I ignored it. My thing was just to have the bag in my collection, just to add another Neverfull. And he knew, like, he used the word child. He used the word childish, and it didn't affect me because we play all day long. But I was like, man, this man, he knows me. Like, it's not anything that I'm saying wrong that you guys are doing. If you do have it, that's just your taste. But he knows my taste, and I knew it too, but I didn't care. I just wanted to have it in my collection. So guys, I am passing on this beautiful Alma. It is a beautiful, unique, creative bag, but it's just not for me. I passed on the Wapity for my daughter because I do not want to force anything on her at all, especially luxury. Like, our relationship is bigger than that. Everything in here is waiting on her. As I continue to purchase things that I like, hopefully she will like them in the future. And if she doesn't, hey, we will go from there. And the Kirigami set. So for those that scored the Kirigami set, hey, I am so glad you have it. It's something that you like, something that you wanted. Hey, kudos to you guys. It was something that I wanted. I thought I wanted at that time until I had to think I just had to think it through. I just didn't want another SLG set sitting in my collection because the by the pool, it does. I don't use the big pochette, and I use the middle one. I use the blue one, and then the small one, I don't use at all. But you can hold cards in it. But I have a million card holders. I have a million mini pochettes, key pouches. So I don't use the small Kirigami set from the By the Pool collection, okay? So guys, let me know what you think. Over here, it's all about balance. We are really, really bossing up. And I am enjoying having that money in my account. I don't care how many millions. I don't care what's sitting in my account. I am happy to have this discipline thing going on because, like I said, the obsession in 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21 was real. Like, I was really, really spending money on items that's basically just still sitting here in my closet. So I still have over 100 and something bags in my closet after selling a few of them. So guys, let me know how you feel. And guys, hey, I'm sorry if you were looking for a Kirigami unboxing from this new collection. It's just not happening over here. But if you did score anything from the collection, I am so happy. I'm not saying that the bags are not cute or not attractive. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. That midnight purple color and fuchsia is the bomb. That's the only thing I wanted. It is the bomb. An all black outfit, wow, that is going to go crazy. I would even do an all white. So I'm giving you guys some ideas, but at the moment, it is just not worth it to me, okay? So guys, thank you for tuning in. And yes, it will be an unboxing this week on something that I've been wanting. So guys, thank you again for tuning in. Let's chit chat in the comments. You know how we do. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye-bye.